welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix your mic cannot work. It's not working in game basically, and how to fix it. So you can do this in game as well. All you have to do is make your way over to settings, head over to audio. From audio, what you can do is make your way over to go down to voice chat. So first thing you want to do is you want to X out of voice chat, so you want to basically turn off voice chat. Once voice chat is turned off, you can go ahead and turn it back on. And another thing you guys can do is you can go ahead and select your mic or turn on open mic, and if you talk and you see that your mic is going off, but then you go back to push to talk and you're pressing the keybind and it's not working, that's still pretty good. That means your mic is connected at least, and it does work. So what you can do is you can go over to keyboard, go over to communication, look for your push to talk button, and I recommend just changing it. So change it to something else temporarily, and you can check to see if that fixed the issue as well. But the main thing that you guys want to do is simply just turn off the voice chat and then turn it back on, and then you can try to also make sure that the correct input device is connected, the right mic is connected. And once you do all of these things, you guys should be good to go, and that is it for the video. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.